Just put salt and lime peels and you're going to thank me. This is amazing. And folks, this is really amazing. Here I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of salt to the peels of 5 limes. Once that's done, now we're going to add 4 cups of water, just regular water at room temperature. But pay close attention to this recipe because this is really good. You'll never have this type of problem again. Soon I'll teach you how to use it. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Put it in here and give it a stir. Next, we're going to take it to the heat. Let's turn the heat to medium and let it sit until the water starts to change color. Check this out, folks. It's been about 5 minutes here, and the water already started to change color. So we can turn off the heat now. Then you take a large container, and with the help of a strainer, we're going to strain all this liquid because we're only going to need the liquid for this recipe. Once that's done, let's add some vinegar. But it's alcohol or white vinegar, folks. We're going to add 7 ounces of white vinegar here. Vinegar in, there will be a small reaction, but it's fine. Okay, it's because of the baking soda. Now we're going to add dish soap, folks. I'm going to add a whole bottle of this lemon dish soap. I'm using this one, but feel free to use whatever you prefer. Let's add it here. And then we're going to finish with another 4 cups of water. Water in and now. Just mix everything. And now just mix everything very well. And here, folks, our mixture is ready. What we're going to do now is transfer all this mixture to these bottles. This will make it much easier to use. Then just close it, and it's ready. And here, folks, what have we just made? This is a wonderful, homemade, all-purpose cleaner. That's right. Salt and baking soda are excellent cleaners and antibacterial agents, so this product is excellent for cleaning your bathroom and also great for cleaning your toilet. As for the vinegar here, it helps to add shine. So you can use it to mop the floor. This will give it a very nice shine. Lime is an excellent degreaser, so you can also use it to clean your stove or microwave. And sure, folks, it's a really great product. I keep this one for everyday use, and I use this one to wash my dishes because it helps to eliminate food odors, okay? So it also makes it great for doing the dishes. So that's it, everyone. Give it a try at home. I'm sure you're really gonna like the results. If you found this tip useful for you, type "I loved it" down below.